Hi, this is Bob again, part 2 here of working on the Heathkit Tunnel Dipper model HM-10A. Now, after you've taken these knobs off, this one here just fastens with a standard screw type knob. All you need for that one is a small pocket screwdriver. This one here is held by an Allen set screw. It is a 50 thousandths Allen set screw. 50 thousandths Allen set screw. I measured it with a digital caliper here just a few minutes ago, and I used it long ways and snapped it real quick like that, and the screw came loose. Sometimes they don't, and they're difficult to get out then. So after taking that out, then I removed the screws here and here. This one was missing when I got this unit, and all it is a little thing for the top piece to snap onto. So I'm going just to put a regular little, probably use a stainless steel round head, just a very short one, put it in there, a 440 or something like that, so that it has something to snap on. But that had come out, I guess, years ago or whenever. Anyhow, when I bought this at the Hamfest, it didn't have that on it. So once you get that out, you get these screws out here, you get the knobs off, and you take off the nut that goes on here. There's a standard volume control nut on there. You take that off. A pair of pliers works fine. And then you have to twist it, the case, like this, and pull it back, and off it comes. And it goes on the same way. This is a little bread pan that I bought. I probably got it at the dollar store. Just a cheap bread pan. I use those to put my parts in. So now we're into that part so far, and then I'm removed, you can see I've removed the screws on the circuit board all around. And make sure when you put this back together you've got lock washers on all of these. You want to have a good ground connection to the chassis here. So that's as far as I've gotten here today, but taking that this piece here, taking this off is tricky, and it's easy to break something when you do that. So don't forget, the first thing you have to do is cut those meter wires, and we're going to extend those. Now, when I got this loose, here's what I noticed. The dial, I was going to say the dial glass, but it's not a glass, it's a piece of acrylic plastic. Anyhow, it's loose. And when you put the kit together, I think that had adhesive under it there, and you peel these pieces of paper off the adhesive and you just stick it on there, but it sure doesn't stick anymore. So I'm going to put a little bit of E6000 glue . I thought I would show you. Here's the E6000 glue. It was originally sold as a craft glue. I found out that the stuff is super nice for using on RF circuits and for all of your general electronic use and hobby use too. You can buy it at a craft store, you can buy it at Walmart, you can buy it at the hardware stores. It is kind of expensive. I think a tube like this around here runs about $7.95 or something like that. It's kind of expensive, but it lasts me a long time and does a great job. So I'm going to take this loose here, put 4 little dabs of E6000 on there and slap it back on, and it'll be ready to go back together again. And this glue does not dry perfectly hard. It dries with a little bit of flexibility to it, so it doesn't tend to come loose easy, and it sticks to most everything. So I really like it. So if you're working on electronics, and I have no interest in that company or that glue, no connection at all. I just like their product. So maybe if they like me putting it on my YouTube video, they'll send me a free tube or something. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Anyway, I kind of doubt that. But that's how you get that case off of there. The circuit board now is starting to come loose, and we're going to take that off here in a little while. So that'll be in video number 3. This is video number 2 on the Heathkit HM-10 Tunnel Dipper. So that's it, guys. 73s and good DX.